Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout for the right way. Start by allocating your special points wisely. Intelligence is key for gaining experience quickly, allowing you to unlock powerful perks sooner. Also, invest in perception for improved accuracy and agility for better stealth and action points. Immediately after leaving Vault 111, head to Sanctuary Hills. Establish a water purifier there to ensure a steady supply of purified water, which is excellent for healing and trading. Remember to pick up every piece of junk you find. It's vital for crafting and upgrading your gear. When building your character, decide on a primary weapon type early on. Whether you prefer rifles, pistols, or heavy weapons, dedicate your perk points to their respective damage-boosting perks. For example, the Rifleman perk significantly increases rifle damage. Don't forget the local leader perk at Charisma level 6. It's essential for connecting your settlements with supply lines, sharing resources across the Commonwealth. The Scrapper perk is also incredibly useful, providing more valuable components from junk. The Commonwealth is massive, so explore every nook and cranny. You'll uncover hidden stashes, unique weapons, and valuable quest items. Don't rush through the main story. Take your time with side quests and faction missions. They provide excellent experience, caps, and often unique gear. Companions are more than just company. They offer extra carrying capacity and can be powerful allies in combat. Make sure to discover all fast travel points to save precious time traversing the map. Settlements are a core part of the Fallout 4 experience. Prioritize building robust defenses, such as heavy machine gun turrets and sturdy walls, to protect your settlers from raiders and creatures. Ensure each settlement has ample food, purified water, and comfortable beds for every inhabitant to keep their happiness high. Setting up trading posts and stores will generate a consistent income of bottle caps. Finally, utilize your workbenches to craft powerful modifications for your weapons and armor, significantly boosting your combat effectiveness.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.